Greetings, fellow Wildcats. Sadara Webster here, your 2019-2020 Miss Howard. As you may know, October is our Unity and Anti-Bullying Month. We at Howard want to do our part to bring a positive awareness to this national campaign. Starting this Wednesday, October 23rd, I challenge all period 1 to 2 classes to participate in an anti-bullying door decorating contest. Be creative and original. There will be multiple winners throughout the school. That means there will be a winner in the A and B hallways in the main building and a winner from the 1927 building and the annex. The winners will be provided donuts during period 1-2 on November 1st. Thanks for listening, Wildcats.
Sadara, that's great, but try not to lose focus on what this month really means. Wildcats, this is Mr. Howard, Isaiah Leapart. Upperclassmen, you all know what this is about. Will the freshman's t-shirt look better than the ones they got in years past? No, heck no. In all seriousness, bullying is a serious issue, and Sadara and I want to do our part to help bring awareness to it, and at the same time, bring a sense of unity to Howard High School. Over the course of the next week, you will hear from various classmates with facts, tips, and helpful information. As it relates to bullying, please don't take this information for granted, and do our part to bring awareness and unity. So as Sadara said, door decorating contest starts Wednesday. So Wildcats, start planning. Let's show what Howard Unity really looks like. Go Wildcats.